Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this crisscross braids, and this is the braid extension that I'm going to use. Firstly, I'm going to comb it like this, and the straws that I'm going to use, they are not that strong, so I'm going to put a chopstick inside to make them strong when I'm wrapping my hair around the straw like this. So twist your hair and turn and start twisting, going the other way like that. Make sure it's tight and twist and take your bobby pin and place it at the beginning of your braid so that it doesn't unravel, and then you are going to remove the straw and put it on the other side and continue twisting and turning your braid until you finish the ends of it. So when you're done, you're just going to remove the chopstick inside and it will stay like that. You're going to place it in hot water for about a minute and then remove it and let it dry. Then you can start unraveling like that. You can pull it down and remove the straw, cut the end so that it will be easy for you to unravel your curls, your braid like that. I'm going to section about five or six sections out of one straw. I'm going to have 5 or 6 sections. I'm going to use a rubber band to tie my ponytail just like that. You can put it on inside the loop on the other side, then twist and turn, then put it again, then tie it like that. This is what we're going to use for our ponytail. And I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, and then I will apply gel to make sure that my lines are sleek and straight. After opening a line from ear to ear, I'm going to open a slanted line on the side, and I'm also going to repeat the same process on the other side. I'm also going to open a slanted line. Then I'm going to, I will have 3 sections. That's the section that I'm going to work with. So just open the other side, also a slanted line. Do not open a straight unless you want to do a pushback, but I want to do an updo. So that's why I'm opening a slanted line. Just tie your 3 sections like that. Then I'm going to use these rubber bands and I'm going to start sectioning of my first straight line like that, and I'm going to apply gel and also make sure that my line is straight. Then after that I'm going to open a small box on the side right there. I'm going to open a small box and I'm going to put the other side away, and then I'm going to apply my gel and make sure my line is straight. Then I will start applying gel to the roots of my hair like that, and then I will take my rubber band and tie the hair into a small ponytail like that. I'm done tying the hair. I'm just going to section it into 2 and tag it. Not too much, just open it into 2, then tag it. I'm going to show you again on the other side. Just apply your gel like that, then take your rubber band and start tying your little ponytail. When you're done, you're going to section your hair into 2 and give it a little tag like that. Apply gel to the rest of your remaining hair, then open another section and also open 2 boxes on the second section. you're going to apply gel to the roots of your hair like that. Then you're going to open it into two. Then you're going to take the hair from the opposite side of the first section. Then you're going to close it like that, and you're going to take your rubber band and tie it. After tying it, you're also going to tag it so that it can be tighter but not too much. And again, apply gel to your hair, open it into two, then put the hair from the first section in between, then close it like that. Take your rubber band and tie it like that. After tying, you are going to tag it to make sure that it is tight but not too much that it will cause pain to your scalp. So I'm just going to continue doing my crisscross until I finish this section, and I'm also going to repeat the process on the other side. Just open your hair, put the hair from the other section in between, and then tie it with your rubber band like that. After that, you can tag it to make sure it's tight but not too tight to cause you pain. And I'm also going to do it on the remaining box right there. I'm just going to apply gel to it. Open it into two, then take the hair from the other section and put it in between, then take a rubber band and tie it. After tying it, you can tag your hair to make it tight. And I'm just going to repeat the process that I did on this side to the other side. Then I'm going to start working on the middle part. So I've already done the first box, and I'm going to apply gel from the second section on the first box right there. I'm going to apply gel to the roots, open it in two, take the hair from the first section and put it in between, take my rubber band and tie it like that. Then after I'm done tying it, I'm just going to tag it to make it tighter like that. Then I'm going to repeat it on the other side. Just apply gel to the roots of your hair, open it into two, apply gel to the first box to the remaining hair. Make sure you apply the rest of your hair until the ends. You apply gel to make it smooth and slick. When you lay it in the crisscross manner, it will be nice and slick. So after I'm done with my crisscross, I'm just going to tie all the three sections together like that, and I will start working on the back. So I'm going to spray water to my hair to make it soft. My hair is 4C and it's really thick. I'm just going to spray water, then comb it. Then I will start applying my Aso Plus holding gel to my hair, and after that I'm going to brush it going upwards until it is the hair and the gel is all mixed together and all the hair is laid down. So this is how I'm doing it. Just brush it until every hair is smooth and is mixed well with your gel. Then I'm going to tie it. You can use a scrunch if it holds really tightly your hair, but as for me, I'm going to use this wool to tie my hair. After tying, just take some gel and apply it to your palms and then massage it through your hair like that to make sure that everything is laid completely. Then I'm just going to do my baby hair, but I find that this gel doesn't lay my hair so well, so I'm just going to find another gel for my edge. It works for my ponytail. If I want to do a ponytail, it lays my hair really well, but as for my baby hair, it doesn't lay them really well, and it doesn't last. So I'm just going to find another gel that I can use, so that will lay my edges perfectly. So when it is dry, you can remove your scarf. Then we're going to start installing our ponytail that we made on the beginning of the video. I showed you how to make this, and then I'm just going to take a little portion of my hair and start wrapping it around on the ponytail like that. Start wrapping it around, and then I'm going to add some bobby pins to make sure that it stays in place and it doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, so just continue wrapping. If you feel like it's not enough, you can take out some hair again and continue wrapping around until you feel like it is perfect for you. Then you can just continue wrapping until you feel it's good. Yeah, so guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, you share, you comment, you like. Yeah, everything. Everything, I need it, everything. Yeah, so just continue wrapping your hair like that until you finish. So I'm done wrapping around. I'm just going to take a bobby pin, and then I'm going to secure my ponytail so that it stays in place. And this is how it looks on me. I'm really feeling this style. It's easy to do and it looks good. It's looking good. It's looking good, and it's so easy to do. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.